Hello guys, I'm Kylie and welcome to another video. Today we will be transforming this box polo shirt to a trendy top. If you wanna know how I made it, then please keep on watching. First, I lay it flat and seam rip the bottom part. Second, I cut out the top and bottom part straight. Then, I also trimmed off the edges. The idea is to have a long rectangular fabric. Then, I set that aside. Third, I gathered, cut, and seam ripped leftover fabric to make sleeves. I went on my sewing machine and sewed the pieces together using a straight stitch and a zigzag stitch. I also hemmed the sides. And then I sew the left and right part through another straight and zigzag stitch. Do the same thing for the other sleeve. It's also time to sew the three rectangular pieces together with a straight and zigzag stitch. Don't forget to hem the sides. So the magic to transform the polo shirt is to use a lot of elastic. So I measured elastics around my body on where I want them to be. I cut 6 in total. I also measured and cut 2 elastics for each of my arms. I pinned the elastics on the fabric by dividing it to equal points. I pulled the elastic as I sew along on the fabric using a zigzag stitch. As you can see, I already added another elastic on top. It really depends on your design on how much elastic you wanted to sew on the top. I also wanted to add another elastic here on my waist. So I also did the same thing. I just pulled the elastic as I sew along using a zigzag stitch. Then I also decided that I also wanted to add more elastics on the bottom. So the magic is really the use of elastic. We will also be adding elastic on the sleeve. So what I did first is to make it into a loop, and then I placed it on top of the fabric, the wrong side of the fabric, and then I pull the elastic as I sew along the fabric using a zigzag stitch. I did that on top and the bottom part of the sleeve so that it will look puffy. Ta-da! So after sewing the sleeves and the top together, this is how it will look like. From a box polo shirt, into a very cute, trendy top. Thank you guys for watching. See you again on my next video. Bye!